Hello everyone, I am Rishav and I am going to show you another feature of my Python assistant, which is language translation. So let's see. Open language converter.
Opening language converter.
So I am going to convert English to French. Let's see how that goes. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.
Input taken successfully. Now translating. Here's the translation. Aimez cette vidéo et abonnez-vous à ma chaîne.
So thank you for seeing, and now I'm going to check this. Let me terminate this program. Okay, so this was what I had spoken. So this is what my assistant also gave, which means that my assistant is working fine. So now check it for another case. This time we will convert Hindi to English. So let's see. Okay. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
Input taken successfully. Now translating. Here's the translation. What is your name?
So as you all know that it is correct. So it translated this, and as you all can see in Google also it is the same. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. Bye.